So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel PPC with Sagar. Today I'm gonna explain you what's the difference between conversion column and conversion by conversion time column. So I have selected the last 7 days date range, and you can see clearly last 7 days I have got 131 conversions in simple standard conversion column and 133 conversions in conversion by conversion time column. So basically, if we talk about convergence by time column, it shows us those conversions happening in selective date range. But if we talk about conversion column, it shows us the convergence on the basis of click time. Maybe click is happening beyond last 7 days date range. Might be it would be confusing for you. For that, I have created a simple scenario for you. So the scenario is simple. Day 1 to day 12, a user visits our website by clicking on our ad in day 2. But somehow he didn't get converted. Might be the reason could be anything. Maybe he was on lift, he was on basement, his internet connection got expired, but again he visits our website in day 11. So right now he got converted. So if we talk about last 7 days data, like day 6 to day 12, day 6 to day 12 in conversion by time column will show us one conversion, one result, because actual conversion is happening on day 11. So the weightage of this conversion would be given to this column. But if we talk about conversion, as I told you earlier, conversion mainly work on click basis. Actually, we have got click on day 2. So this result may be blank. If we talk about day 1 to day 7 date range, conversion by time column will show zero conversion, because actually the conversion is not happening in selective date range, but the simple standard conversion column will show you one a result, because actually we have got first click on that date range. So that's the simple difference between conversion by time column and simple standard conversion column. So if you found this video helpful, do subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you.